Hi there, a very good morning and good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This simply is Talks with another video, and this time this video relates to the chart pick for this week. And the stock that I have picked for you today is DMart. I think DMart is looking very strong on the charts, so we'll discuss about that. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. And also, all these stocks that I talk about or companies that I talk about is purely for educational purposes and for entertainment purposes, and just to make you aware as to which stocks are performing, which are not, and how is the market behaving. My whole experience of 11 or 12 years is embedded into these videos that I present to you. So this is purely for educational purposes, and any investment decision that you take, kindly do discuss with your financial advisor and then take it, because all your investments is subject to market risk. Before I talk about DMart, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and account answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. And also, you can pay $100 upfront. You get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 20% discount. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can join the yearly WhatsApp membership or the monthly YouTube membership by clicking on the join button. Now let me take you to the Money Control website and let's discuss about the charts of DMart. So fundamentally speaking, it is one of the strongest companies in India, but the numbers have not been that great for the last 3 4 quarters, and that is why the stock has fallen all the way. If I look at you can say even a 5 year chart in here, then we'll understand that the stock has fallen from around 6,000 levels, 5,800, 6,000 levels, all the way to 3,000 levels or 3,200, 3,100 or so, and now it has stabilized. So I believe that if you look at a 3 months chart for DMart, you'll understand that how the movement has been pretty sharp and quick from those 3,300 levels all the way to 3,500 that is trading it at the moment. So if you look at from a 6 months perspective as well, on that chart we are seeing that the RS factor or RSI relative strength is around 60, which is positive, more than 50, and we are seeing a situation where the stock is trading at 3,500, which is above at least a couple of moving averages. So now probably it has made a bottom, and so one can probably buy from a short term point of view to gain 15 to 20% on the stock. The big up move will begin from 3560 onwards once it closes above 3560, 3600 or so, and then you can see the move happening up till even 4200 or so, 4150. So if you look at it here, it's 4200. So basically if you buy here, now what sort of a stop loss that you can keep, because it is a short term trade based on charts that I'm giving you. So the stock is at 3510 at the moment. Today's low was 3410. So what one can do is look at the moving averages in here. These are simple moving averages. If I change it to the exponential moving averages, we'll understand that the 20-day exponential moving average is at 3391. So probably you can keep a stop just below this, probably 3385 or something. You buy at 3515, keep a stop loss at 3385. So that is 130 rupees stop loss, and we are looking at 4150 on the stock, of 4165. So if I you can say deduct 44, if I take into account the target, which is 4165 from the current price, say if you buy at 3515, and we are looking at a 650 rupee upside with a stop loss that is around 130 rupees. So this is a very good risk reward of 1 is to 5 that we are coming up with. I think DMart is looking extremely strong on charts. A disclaimer, I might be having the stock in my very short term portfolio, I might not be, but whatever I discuss on Patreon, I discuss a number of stocks, I might have discussed this as well. So that's a disclaimer, but DMart does look good for a 20% upside, 15 to 20% upside from here, but keep tight stop losses. I think a stop loss of 130 rupees is around how much would that be, around 4% or so, or even less than that. So it's around 3.7%. So a stop loss of 3.7%, a target of 18% is what I'm looking at. You could book profits at 4,000 and all those levels, but I think 4,200 could be coming in the next 3 to 4 months. We could see 4,200 on DMart. So in my opinion, DMart or Avenue Supermart is a buy around these levels and 3,515 with a stop loss of 3,385 and a target of 4,150 to 4,200 in a few months time. So this is a video on the technical charts of DMart. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.